What's going on, guys? This is Riding with Anything RC, and today I am going to take out my Infraction. I just got some fresh tires in for it, and I got it all cleaned up. We got it running 8S, and I'm gonna show it to you real quick. So not only am I running 8S, but I'm running 8S HV. So I have my two 4S HV batteries. I have my ESC that is capable of taking the two 4S HV. And I have a 1800 kV motor. And we got our GPS here. Got it switched over to mile an hour. It's velcroed in. Hopefully it stays in there. And we're gonna go take it out and drive it and see if I can, my goal is I wanna hit 100 miles an hour. If I can hit 100, I'll be super stoked. So we'll see. Today I'm gonna drive the 8S Infraction. I got the GPS, everything ready to go. We're gonna watch her rip.
Get a nice truck too, by the way, I like it.
Thank you. You wanna see even crazier that I did to it? Watch this. You probably don't like this kind of music, but
I don't like music at all.
You don't like music?
No, she's a musician.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm a clown, sorry.
Okay. In there. It didn't come with that in it. Tell me if there's a car coming. Ooh, that was a good run. Oh, it just cut out on me.
Let's go chase it down.
It went in someone's driveway, and it wasn't going super fast, so I think we're good. Yeah. 91. 91 there, guys. Nice. I'll take 91 for a first run.
That's about 100.
First run, 91 there. Hell yeah. I just upgraded the motor and the batteries and the ESC. It only comes 6S, now it's 8S.
This is 1800
kV.
It's pretty warm.
Nice.
You can't burn them up.
Well, I mean, you can. But I'm gonna burn the out of these tires right now for the YouTube. Since I went 91.
Get ready for a freak show.
Alright. Everybody, I've seen the different YouTube videos of people doing this. We're gonna just roast these tires. They're brand new freshies. Alright, here goes, guys. Alright, that's it. They blew, guys.
See that?
We blew them. I got it stuck to my leg. They're ruined now. Look, that one exploded.
Do they have the Arrma?
No.
That's sticky as
Oh, look what I did to the road.
Look at that.
Woo!
Look at that.
That's how you do it, boys. Nice.
That's smoke.
Well, that's how you do it, boys. Look at that. Brand new Infraction tires. Just came off the shipment. Pretty sure they're ruined.
Smoke.
But we'll drift them a little bit.
Hot.
We'll drift them a little more.
Like 5 times as fast as I've ever been. Good car.
Thank you. thermaled. It got too hot.
You got a safety switch on it, shut itself off.
It just automatically does it. Everything's pretty safeguarded nowadays where they don't want you to f it up. They cover their asses in warranties that way.
Do you know about airplanes, helicopters?
Some. I have some. I know they're a pain in the ass, and usually once they break, they're broken.
Oh, they're broken.
Put a big thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget, hit that bell.